Okay, rice cake machine SYP9002 Titanium Coated Mould and switch box opposition for Georgia. Very nice. Temperature is 260 for system. Speed 4.7. Thickness 50. And depth of core is 30 is the first setting. And pressure. Around 140 as the first setting. To check or set the pressure gauge, you have to close pressure gauge to use it longer. Emergency button here. Okay, and it's a standard cylinder. Yeah, smaller than the previous bigger cylinder. It's below the cylinder, lower cylinder. There's a pressure support valve there to keep the stable pressure. And 3 cylinder valves to provide electric signal to the machine. Okay. And 3-phase motor and pump. And oil tank here is a fan. Fan must be on all the time when the machine works. It's white rice and brown rice mix. Feeding plate here. When the feeding plate, the back side is turned. It's red light. First sensor on, red light. Go forward, it's turn off, and come back to the end, it's turn on again. Otherwise, cannot go to the next step. 2 springs, the feeding plate to bring back, and drive motor and gear head, the feeding plate make forward. And there's the oil valve here, an aluminum cylinder valve, a checker valve, relief valve. Relief valve is related with the pressure control. Insert the electric wrench, clockwise increase pressure, and clockwise decrease pressure. Nothing oil tank here. Okay, control box here. The inverter is 60 Hz. And SSR is make a stable temperature, breaker, and contactor. Relays on PCB. PCB brain of this machine. In the oil tank, 20 liters of the hydraulic oil inside. Oh, very nice.